Why do 100% of astronauts want to recycle their pee? The answer might surprise you. From spacesuits to sustainable farming, scientists are finding incredible ways to recycle urine. Imagine this, a spacesuit that turns your pee into drinking water. Yep, inspired by the sci-fi classic Dune, researchers have created a suit that does just that. It's a potential game changer for long space missions. But wait, there's more. Here on Earth, urine is being explored as a super fertilizer for crops. Studies show that treated urine can drastically improve the nutrient content of animal feed crops. That means better yields, more profitable farms, and a greener planet. So, from the vastness of space to the fields of our farms, pea cycling is proving to be a golden opportunity. Who knew that answering nature's call could help save the world? The future of recycling pea is bright, and it's full of promise. Next time you flush, remember you're flushing away liquid gold.